If you've been hearing people talk about making money with AI in 2026, you're probably wondering if it's actually real. And honestly, yes, it is. Because right now, people are using AI tools to create content, businesses, digital products, and online income streams faster than ever before. But here's the important thing. Most beginners completely overcomplicate it. So in this video, I'll show you a complete beginner-friendly guide on how to make money with AI tools in 2026 using methods that people are genuinely using right now. First, understand this AI itself does not automatically make people rich. The people making money are the ones using AI to save time, create faster, and scale content or businesses. And honestly, that's the biggest mindset shift you need to understand. Now, the first method, creating content with AI. And this is huge in 2026 because people are building TikTok pages, YouTube channels, Instagram Reels, and faceless content accounts using AI tools. For example, many creators use ChatGPT for scripts, AI voice generators for narration, and apps like CapCut or Instagram Edits for automatic editing. And honestly, this workflow lets people create videos much faster than before. Now, how does this make money? Usually through affiliate marketing, sponsorships, digital products, or ad revenue. And honestly, a lot of creators start with zero audience. Now, the second method, selling digital products made with AI. This is one of the easiest beginner business models right now because you can create ebooks, templates, planners, printable products, or social media packs using AI tools much faster than manually creating everything yourself. For example, people use ChatGPT for text, Canva AI for design, and image AI tools for graphics. Then upload the products to platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify. And honestly, once the product is live, it can continue selling automatically. Now, the third method, affiliate marketing with AI content. And honestly, this is one of the fastest growing strategies right now. The idea is simple. You create videos or posts talking about AI app software, websites, or useful tools. Then place affiliate links in your bio or description. And if someone signs up using your link, you earn commissions. Now here's where AI helps. Instead of spending hours writing content manually, tools like ChatGPT can help generate scripts, captions, blog posts, hooks, and content ideas in minutes. And honestly, this is why people are posting more content than ever before. Now, another huge opportunity in 2026, freelancing with AI tools, because businesses now want AI-generated content, social media help captions, video editing, and marketing assistance. And many freelancers are using AI to complete work faster and serve more clients. For example, someone might use AI to write emails, edit videos, create graphics, or generate ad copy. And honestly, this lets beginners start freelancing without years of experience. Now, here's something very important. Do not rely on only one platform. Because honestly, algorithms change constantly. Smart creators usually build email lists, digital products, communities, or multiple content platforms instead of depending only on TikTok or Instagram. Now, let's talk about the biggest mistake beginners make: trying too many things at once. Because honestly, most people fail because they jump between ideas every week. The people succeeding with AI usually focus on one niche, one strategy, and consistency. Now, let's be honest for a second. Making money with AI in 2026 is not some magic shortcut. You still need effort, patience, and consistency, but AI massively speeds up the process. And honestly, that's why so many people are entering online business right now, because tools that once required teams and expensive software are now available to almost anyone. So to wrap this up, the best ways to make money with AI tools in 2026 include creating AI content, selling digital products, affiliate marketing, and freelancing using AI-powered workflows. Because honestly, people who learn how to combine creativity with AI tools today are putting themselves in a very strong position for the future.